A toxin is any substance that places undue stress on the body. And stresses can build up over time, creating what we call a toxic load on our bodies, and they specifically target the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a system of glands that make hormones, which are our internal chemical messengers. Hormones carry information from one set of cells to others, influencing every cell, body system, and function in our body. The endocrine system releases hormones into the bloodstream and facilitates their movement throughout the body. It regulates how much of each hormone is released into the bloodstream and influences growth and development, function of organs, metabolism, reproduction, mood, and other physiological functions. There are 8 major glands that make up the endocrine system: the hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenals, pineal body, sex glands, and the pancreas.